Keep getting fail to deploy error when launching Roblox on your computer? No need to fret, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix the Roblox fail to deploy error on your PC. So, let's begin. Solution 1. Try repairing Roblox on your computer. To do this, type run in the search bar here and click on it to open. Now type %localappdata% here and press enter. Then scroll down and open up the Roblox folder. Then go to the versions folder and open up the first folder. Now double click on Roblox Player Installer and it should start reinstalling Roblox. After it finishes, just restart your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 2. If the error is still popping up, run Roblox with admin permissions. To do this, right-click on Roblox Player from desktop and select Run as Administrator. Then click on Yes to give permission. Now see if Roblox opens up without this error. Solution 3. If you're still getting the error, add Roblox to the exception list of Windows Security. To do this, first right-click on Roblox Player from your desktop and then select Open File Location. Now click on the top bar here and copy this path. Next, search for Windows Security and open it up. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now from the Virus and Threat Protection Settings section, click on Manage Settings. Then click on Add and Remove Exclusions from the bottom of this page. Then click on Yes. Now click here and select Folder from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the top bar, paste the copied path and hit Enter. And click on Roblox from here and then click on Select Folder. Now close Windows Security and check if you can play Roblox without this error. If not, just uninstall and reinstall and it should be fixed. So that's how you get rid of the Roblox fail to deploy error on your PC. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.